The woman didn't notice and the car rolled away. A soldier walking on the street saw this and rushed to stop it. He is wondering where the baby's parents are. The couple went out in panic to find their children. When they saw the soldier holding their child, they rushed out. The father is very aggressive and does not listen to explanation. Hit the soldier very painful. The soldier held his stomach in pain and kept explaining. He explained that he stopped the rolling car. The father brushed it off and told the soldier to stay away from their family. The soldier was very sad and left soon after. This manhole cover is in the wrong place. This blind woman kept walking towards the manhole cover. A man saw this and didn't help but took out his camera and took a photo. The janitor saw that and scolded him. And he hurriedly ran towards the old woman. He tried to move the manhole cover but couldn't, so he just stayed there, an action that no one dares to do. The blind woman still doesn't know and keeps walking forward. The man was in a lot of pain, but he still endured it so that she could step over him. Then he got up and moved the manhole cover into place. This manhole cover is heavy, but he still managed to move it little by little. After a while, the manhole cover was back in place. He stepped on the manhole cover to hold on. After he finished, he went back to work. This man is falling very painfully. While he was shouting, a man approached him. A man approached and asked what was wrong with him. He said falling was very painful. When the man asked for help, he quickly left. The man kept shouting for attention. A couple passed by and the woman rushed over to the man. The assistant asked the man if she could help, but the man asked her to leave. She hesitated for a while but finally obeyed him. The man turned away and the woman only comforted him a little and then left. A janitor was nearby and heard a man shouting. She was picking up trash when heard it. She quickly ran over to see who was screaming. When she saw the man lying there, she quickly asked what was wrong with him. Seeing the man's foot being crushed by a stone, she hurriedly tried to remove the stone. She lifted each stone with difficulty. The man is in a lot of pain and she tries her best. After a very long time, the man was finally able to pull his legs out. I don't understand how he got the stone all over him. The janitor was finally able to pick him up. He kept screaming in pain. It looks like his leg was broken and bleeding a lot. He said his teeth couldn't move because his leg was broken. The girl helped him up with difficulty. When she saw him standing unsteadily because of the pain, the girl actively asked him to carry him. Even though he is very heavy for her weight, she still tries very hard.